Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to check the cause of an unexpected shutdown on Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on Start, then type PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell. So right click on it and run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on yes. So guys, I will give this command line in description, so copy and paste here. Now guys, here you will see all information and cause. You can find and check cause for your Windows shutdown with messages. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by these simple and very easy steps we can know how to find the cause of unexpected shutdown of Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.